night here. It's about 10:48 p.m. Eastern Time as I start this recording. And I just wanted to let you guys all know about a severe weather threat that is starting to increase as we head into our western counties here in Ohio. If you look at your screen here, we can see that we have both a severe thunderstorm and a tornado watch in effect across western Ohio. So the severe thunderstorm watch is this red region here. That includes Dayton and the far western fringe of the Columbus metro area. So that's going to include the whole Miami Valley region from about Butler and Warren County all the way up to Mercer, Auglaize, and Hardin County. Union and Madison County, and everyone in between. That severe thunderstorm watch is going to run until 3 o'clock this morning. We also have a tornado watch. That is the yellow shading here. That is for our far northwestern counties that will run for several more hours as well. I do expect storms to weaken as they move into Ohio. No storms are affecting the state of Ohio as of right now. But we do have that severe thunderstorm watch and that tornado watch in effect because of what's going on here in Indiana. In fact, the serious situation here in Indiana, it really has unfolded within the last hour to 2 hours here. And we do have an active tornado warning just southwest of Fort Wayne, Indiana. So that includes Huntington, Indiana there. This little strong line of thunderstorms over Huntington, Indiana is going to be needed to watch because we're going to need to watch that is what I mean because the state line is just along right here. And that'll start impacting some of our Ohio counties like Van Wert and potentially Mercer County here within the next 30 to 40 minutes or so. So we're going to be watching this very closely. Again, there is no threat right now, but that threat could become a serious situation here in the next 30 to 40 minutes. So that's why I wanted to pop on here for a brief live video. Also, we have 2 tornado warnings up here in Michigan. This is just north of South Bend, Indiana. So that's the red box here. This portion of the storm there in Michigan, just north of the Turnpike, is something we're watching as well. I do believe that's going to stay north of our coverage area. But it's this storm here and all of the severe storms. So that's everything in orange is heading our way. Indianapolis under a severe thunderstorm warning for the most part. We also have this tornado warning for the southern portion of Indianapolis. This does include the Indianapolis airport where there is a tornado warning right now. So this is all back in Indiana. Now, I will say, as this enters Ohio, it is going to be running into a weaker air mass for storms. I know it's been a very humid day, a very sunny day, and in a lot of cases that can bring severe storms. But right now it looks like the air mass over Ohio is much more stable, and that's a good thing. That means the storms will generally start to die off as they enter Ohio. But I do believe Western Ohio still has a severe weather threat, so does the Storm Prediction Center, and that's why there's a tornado watch for these yellow counties here and a severe thunderstorm watch for these red counties here. So, again, we're going to be monitoring this situation. I'm going to pause the live stream now. I just wanted to give you a quick update, but if we do start to get severe thunderstorm warnings in Ohio, which I do expect for our western zones, I will go back live again. And I know we're probably going to have some questions about central and eastern Ohio, so places like Cleveland, Akron, all along I-77. I believe those places are going to see much weaker stuff. I think the storms will weaken by then. If you're not in the tornado watch or the severe thunderstorm watch, I do believe that you're going to be in better shape. That said, we'll keep an eye on things and see how things evolve over the next couple of hours. But again, I just wanted to provide you a quick update and let you know what we're expecting. One more thing before I go. They did just issue a new severe thunderstorm warning for Fort Wayne, Indiana. So this orange area right here, meaning that this strong thunderstorm line is quickly approaching Ohio. So I do anticipate needing to go live again here soon. I'm going to pop off here and prepare for that. as we get ready to cover some severe weather as it enters western Ohio. So, again, if you're not in western Ohio, you're going to be okay. It's western Ohio that I do anticipate this storm threat will be. So, I'll pop back on here live in a few minutes to cover that once it enters our coverage area. We'll see.